Me and my honey are going to a car show. So she's doing the pictures for the gram right now, I think. It doesn't matter. What's wrong with the Super Duty? Who cares? Just take a picture of it. What is with you?
It's got to be perfect.
No, there's no such thing as perfect pictures.
Yeah, there is.
Anyway, so we're gonna go. Okay, bye.
Bye.
We have arrived. We've never been in Wiggins before. It's not a very big car show, but there is people here and there is cars. So we're gonna go walking around. I need to find somewhere to pee. And our big surprise. If I had to like that. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
All right, Wiggins Colorado people, thank you for coming out tonight. Appreciate you all coming out tonight. We are going to start. Come over and listen to them. They work with us. We got.
I like this truck. This is interesting how they did the wood trim around the little bumper do-whopper. What are those things called? The trim. I like that truck. It's a nice truck. I like this Buick too. Ooh, here we go. This is my favorite car so far. Babe, we need one of these. I want to buy one of the Factory 5 ones. I like it. That's my favorite car so far. The interior is super nice too. I like it. It's pretty. I like this lowrider over here. Yeah. Okay, we seriously got to find somewhere to pee. I got to go right now. Vin Diesel can fit Joe. Nice to meet you.
Check it out.
I'll take a picture. I'll put you on my channel. Tag you.
Please do. Please do. There's a QR code in there that'll take you around for if you want.
All right, cool. Thank you.
Sweet. Appreciate you, man.
All right, man. Have a good day.
You too. Thanks for your time.
I like the flames on that thing.
Be sure to stick around and enjoy the show.
And a Corvair. And here's our Impala that we already seen. This Impala is pretty sweet though. I like these.
I said no sludge back.
I'm gonna shove that camera up your ass.
She's not very nice, is she?
You're gonna get it in about 2 seconds.
Yep, I want it. That's the smallest vehicle here. It's a V8 powered bar stool. The Chevy small block. I bet you that thing's loud.
Yeah.
Looks pretty neat. And very compact.
Last night, and what to my surprise, when we got there, between the eyes, she said,
So once again, special thanks to our sponsors, Course Auto Dealership, Roma's Pizza, Trout Detailing, and Napa for supporting today's event. And thank you all other sponsors as well. So head on over down by the Jumpies to watch Wiggins Pet Band.
I like that car. Okay, we're live, guys and gals. Do you have a come over, like me, and you don't want anybody to see it? Well, I have something. I got hats, guys. I got this one. It's green, and it has the little logo thing at the... Okay, next one. I got this black on black one. Look at that. Okay, next one. Jeez, golly. What is this one? Blurple. I like it. It reminds me of grape soda. Caught it. Baby blue. Look at that one. Woo! And monster green. Anyways, oh, I got shirts too. Look at these things. So if you want a hat or you want a shirt because your comb over just ain't doing it, let me know. I also have stickers. This one is from Miranda, which she made the hats and the shirts. And these ones are from, I don't know, some other website. But we don't care about them. We care about these from Miranda. And these shirts and the hat. I don't know where the hats are. But anyways, Five Hearts Company. They're local in, where are they?
Strasburg.
In Strasburg, Colorado. So if you want anything, let me know, and I'll give you a price, and then we'll see if you still want it. And then I'll send it to you if you pay me for it.
Okay, love you, bye.
Okay, love you, bye.
Skylar loves you too.